Standard first. Subject Value Education. Hello students, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn one interesting lesson, that is kindness. So students, let us see what do we mean by kindness, how we can apply in our daily life. So first we will see the meaning of kindness. Kindness means showing love, showing care. So as you can see in the picture, that in the first picture, grandson is showing care for his grandfather. In the second picture, you can see daughter is showing care for her mother. Next, compassion. Compassion means understanding, to feel for somebody who is suffering. Generosity. Now, what does mean by generosity? The quality of being generous. Generous means willing to give help or support. So, kindness means showing love, care, compassion and generosity. Kindness means treating others the way you want to be treated. Kindness doesn't have to be about money. You can give your time or things you don't use anymore and help someone by talking to other and helping them in their problem. Now, let us see some example of acts of kindness. So, 12 ways to show kindness. First, just listen to your friends. Next, write someone a kind note. Next, invite someone to join you. Next, forgive someone for a mistake. Next, let someone else go first. Next, give someone a high five. Next, work with someone new. Next, help clean up. Next, help someone having a tough day. Next, hold the door open for others. Next, do an extra course. Next, spend time with a friend. Now we'll see a story of a kind little girl. Now, it was 7 o'clock. Neeta had not come home. Mummy was very angry. She had told Neeta and Manu to be home by 7. Where she was? Maybe she was still talking to her friends or playing. Neeta came home at 7:30. Where were you? Mummy shouted. How long do you want to play? Mummy said Neeta. I did not go to play. I was with Auntie Leela on the third floor. She is sick. I gave her some medicine and I sat with her till her son came home. Oh, my sweet little girl, said Mummy. I am sorry I shouted at you. I am so happy that you were so kind. So, students, now being kind to other means to care about how they feel. Neeta knew that sick lady would not like to be alone. She would be sad if no one cared for her. So Neeta went to see her. If we care about others, then we feel happy when they are happy, and we feel sad when they are sad. If they need our help, we try to give it. Being kind means trying to understand how others feel and doing something about it. So, have you all understood the story? Okay. So, students, benefits of kindness. Now, what are the benefits of being kind? It improves the quality of life. It brings people together and make you feel relaxed and make you feel good. It improves the quality of life in workplace. So have you all understood this lesson? Kindness. Okay. So we should be kind to others. Now next we will see some activity. So first activity 1. So what activity you have to do is draw a flower in the box when you do these kind acts. Okay, so now first one, make mummy happy. Give her a flower. Okay, so here when you will do this kind acts, so you have to put flowers in the, you have to draw flowers in the box. Okay, so first thing, make mummy happy. How you will make mummy happy? You will give her a flower. Okay, so you will do here, you will draw one flower here that you have done this work. The next second one, make teacher happy. Now how you will make teacher happy? You will write a thank you card. Okay, if you have done this kind acts, so you will draw second here flower. Then next, take a cup of tea to your grandfather. So when you will take a cup of tea for your grandfather, so you will draw here flower that yes, you have done this kind X. Then next, call your friend to play with your toys. Then next, say thank you to your brother or sister for a kind act done. Okay, if you all have done these kind acts, so after that you will draw flowers here. Okay, so this is your activity number 1. Now next activity we will see, choose 3 heart and promise to do what they tell you. Color the 3 heart you choose. Okay, so I have given here 6 hearts. Okay, so out of the 6, you have to choose 3 heart and you have to promise that you will do that. Okay, so whichever heart you choose, that you have to color it. Okay, so first heart is not to get angry. So first one, not to get angry. So if you are choosing this, that you will never get angry, so you can choose this and color this heart. The next is to share my toys. Second heart tells you to share your toys with your friends. The next, to help mummy. Okay students, if you have choose this heart that you will help your mummy, then you have to do that. Okay, you have to promise to do that. The next, not to fight. Yes, you will not to fight. You will not fight with your brother and sister, your friends. Then next, to care for plants. Okay, you should care for plants also. Then next, to feed an animal. Okay, so next kind act is to feed an animal. You can feed the animals like cat, dog. Okay. So this is your activity number 2. Interesting, no students? Yes, so here you have to choose any 3 heart and you have to promise that you will do that. And color that heart you choose. Okay. Okay, so thank you, students.